In today's video, I am going to teach you how to open Sendgrid Mail. To get started, you will want to be at the computer and ready to access your web browser. This process is straightforward, and it will lead you to your Sendgrid dashboard where you can manage your email settings and activity. First, go to the Sendgrid website. In your browser, you can type in the official Sendgrid address and press enter. Make sure you are on the correct site, since using the right domain helps you stay safe and ensures the pages look exactly as expected. When the homepage loads, take a moment to confirm you are viewing the Sendgrid sign-in area or navigation options. This is the point where you begin the login flow. Next, click Login. The login option is typically located near the top of the page or in a prominent area on the site. Click it once and wait for the login page to load. If you see options like sign in for different accounts or organizations, just focus on finding the standard login button that lets you access your Sendgrid account. At this stage, the main goal is to reach the screen where you can enter your credentials. After that, you will enter your username. On the login screen, look for the field labeled for a username or account identifier. Click inside the box and type your username carefully. If there is any hint text, follow it to confirm the correct format. Take your time here because correct entry helps avoid unnecessary errors or failed attempts. Then, enter your email address and password. These fields are usually on the same login form. Enter the email address into the email field, and enter your password into the password field. As you type the password, it may appear hidden or masked for security, which is normal. Double-check that both values are entered accurately before you move forward. This matters because the next button will only accept your login if the information matches what is on the account. Now click Continue. This button is usually located near the bottom of the login form. When you click Continue, the site will verify your details and move you into your account. Wait for the loading screen or the next page to appear. If the site shows any warnings or prompts, read them briefly and follow what it asks, since it may be related to security checks or account verification. Finally, open your Sendgrid dashboard. Once you have successfully logged in, you will see the dashboard view. This is your main control center for Sendgrid. From here, you can access the tools and menus that support your email delivery, settings, and monitoring. Take a moment to look over the dashboard layout so you know where key sections are located. If there are notifications or a setup reminder, you can review them, but you do not need to do anything extra right now unless you plan to configure new features. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.